Okay. So the debate is intense. Let it continue. But as I said, here at the Hangout, we only give context and clarity to stories thrown up by my country, your country. Okay, then. Now, for our next story, for former Attorney General of the Federation, the AGF, Abubakar Malami, a walk to freedom is a long, long way away. The Kebbi State-born lawyer and politician who has been in the eye of the storm with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, had his application for bail turned down by a Federal Capital Territory High Court sitting at Abuja. Justice Babangida Hassan held that the detention by the anti-graft agency was lawful and backed by a valid court order. Malami had urged the court to grant him bail pending the conclusion of the commission's investigations. But an unhappy former AGF is screaming witch hunt and bias by the EFCC chairman and is therefore demanding an immediate recusal, arraignment, or release. Again, BKO, these are times that calls for, thorough examination, as you just said. Yeah.
Well, Malami, as Attorney General of the Federation, prosecuted many people. Nothing says that once you've risen to the rank of, to the position of Attorney General of the Federation, you cannot be detained, you cannot be put on trial.
Okay.
So now the EFCC, he's been in detention since December 8th because he has not been able to meet the bail conditions set by the judge court. And he's been investigated for 18 offenses, including abuse of office and terrorism financing. These are very serious offenses. I will advise him to do his best to secure bail. The offense he committed is a bailable one. He didn't commit murder. But you must meet the bail conditions. If you cannot meet the bail condition, you can appeal to the judge to waive, to make the conditions less stringent. People do that.
It's happened several times.
Yes, you can appeal to the judge. The judge can vary the conditions. So going to the media and saying all kinds of things is not the solution. It's not the Nigerians, and you can see even on social media, Nigerians are not really bothered about what he's saying. They want him to defend himself. When he was invited, the first time it was an invitation, it wasn't an open invitation. It was just an invitation to him. He went on social media saying, oh, they've done the EFCC. There's no need for all that. Meet your bail conditions.
As a matter of fact.
And be prepared to defend yourself. He's saying that they should arraign him, or the EFCC chairman should leave the position. Or I mean, they are not going to listen to you. Meet your bail conditions. And after meeting your bail conditions, go and prepare your defense.
That's it.
Because these people have, as far as they are concerned, they have enough reasons to put you on trial. But as things stand, they are still trying to get some more facts. Yes, I could have preferred that they got all the facts that they wanted, before putting him on trial. But at the same time, I also prefer that he met the bail conditions so that he can go home. So if you've not met your bail conditions, nobody's going to willy-nilly release you to be going around. There are many things. They've accused him of having bank accounts opening in people's names and all that. You have to defend yourself. You have to find a way. They've accused him of having investments that could not support, that they are sure are proceeds of crime. Let him be prepared to defend himself. So that is the thing. There is no sentiment about this thing. Just do what you need to do and get out of the detention facility.
My own reaction is Malami himself, is a lawyer, so he knows how these things goes. Dotu, the witch hunt aspect, to his retort is what interests me. He says the EFCC is doing this because he left his party and joined the ADC, and it sounds...
Before he joined the ADC, the issues have been there.
Okay. So why raise it now?
A lot of people spoke about acquisition of certain property, especially in his home state. And then he's been, quote unquote, wealthy enough to be able to take over the government house.
He wanted to be governor.
Yes, he still wants to be. Completely, he has the liberty to want to become anything because the law says so. The law grants him that. But when it comes to the issue of arrest and prosecution, I'm happy he's been a chief law officer of this country before. So he has taken over certain cases even from the EFCC.
Okay. In the past.
Yes, when he was there as chief law officer. So he knows the way these things go.
Yeah.
He's not a stranger to this. But even at that, I will always say to the AFCC, we've mentioned it a couple of times on this program. Before, we want to get to a point in this country where when the AFCC invites somebody or arrests, we know that investigation had been concluded and it's just a matter of sending that man to jail. Because that will make us all happy. We've had it in the past. The Federal Bureau of Investigation in the US, it goes after a Nigerian. Once the Nigerian goes there, the Nigerian who has been pleading not guilty in Nigeria goes there to plead guilty because he knows everything has been concluded.
A hush puppy comes to mind.
It comes to mind. In the past, I've been invited to the FCC office, and a former governor was going to be arraigned on a Monday. I was invited on a Sunday, and the only question they asked me, do I know where the man keeps his money? That's very funny to me.
Yeah.
If you are taking a man to court the following day, then it means you should have all your facts. After so many years in court, that case has been dismissed. No evidence. After spending about 8-10 years in court. So we should be in a situation now where we are sure that when the ICPC, EFCC or police invite you, it means you are already going to jail.
I think that's what they are trying to do. They are trying to amass as much evidence as possible, including sourcing some of the evidence from abroad.
Yes.
Some of the evidence, some of the people convicted abroad, they are trying to get them. I think that under this current EFCC chairman, I think they are far more serious in terms of harvesting information.
Things are getting better, really.
So we oppose the idea of media trial. We opposed it. I believe that with time, the FCC will become the agency that does not rely on media trial. They need as much evidence as they can get from Malami. And if Malami is citing ill health, they are saying he has not submitted any medical report, nor provided any credible evidence to support his claim of ill health. Why is it that it's usually when they pick them up that they start talking about ill health? People that you'll be seeing moving from place to place, they do not
follow political rallies.
Yes, but once you pick them up, they'll start forming being sick. Some of them will go and get neck brace, so that you can release them. One even claimed that his back was broken. That's one man who is now going from TV station to TV station. He claimed his back was broken, but the moment he got back to his detention facility. He didn't know they had installed camera. He was leading prayers. He was going up, going down, leading prayers. Somebody that was brought into the court on a stretcher. My back is broken. My neck is this. Unfunny person like that. I see him going from one TV station to another. Nigerians have forgotten that this was a man who scammed everybody by claiming that his back was broken.
And so it is time to appeal to sentiments, you know.
No, sentiments will not
no, it won't
take
even
us
work.
anywhere.
It's not even claiming that you were picked up because you switch parties. Doesn't even sound logical.
And so
because if you have information, evidence saying this is it, then it is defending those things that you should be looking for, not looking for this or that.
So why
perfect your bail conditions?
Why
you'll be
ask
free.
for an immediate recusal?
No, he's saying that the EFCC chairman does not like him, that there's animosity, this and that.
Bias.
Referring to a report.
Yeah.
A report that did not directly, they wanted Magu's position. I was pushing at that time that this man had not committed any offense. Many people thought I was a fool. So my friends called me to say, you have to be careful. You know you cannot trust every Nigerian. You are putting your integrity. I said I was sure that this man didn't do anything. Today, that report, there is nothing in it that indicts the man. He did not steal any money. Some of the claims that were made against him, you know, were even things that any sensible person shouldn't have made. For example, as EFCC chairman, he does not directly collect money from the things auctioned by the EFCC. It goes to the CBN, TSA.
Yeah.
But you are accusing him of stealing so much. Social media, they said he had billions inside his house. They went to his house.
Even to the farm.
Magu has only one house.
Even to the farm.
In Karu. Only one house. They went there. His wife stood by them. Oh yeah, show me what you've seen. Nothing. So sometimes Nigerians just, you know, condemn you, accuse you of all kinds of things without evidence. Magu, the police, then went on to promote him to AIG because the report does not really indict him. All they wanted was to take that position and give someone else. That was the goal. And when Magu said, please, I have served this country conscientiously. Don't put me to shame. They claimed he was begging. He was begging you not to destroy his name. He wasn't begging you not to convict, to indict him.
Yeah.
So what did we achieve at the end of the day? His name is intact. Magu's name is intact.
So there's a plea from the hangout to our brother Malami.
Perfect your bail conditions.
More than one. You should perfect his bail condition. Don't allow the law to take its course.
Okay.
He's done it before as AGF.
Okay then, let's
was it not under him that they were raiding judges' homes? In the dead of night.
So
they broke into judges' homes. Second base, Jerry.
Second base. Our next story, folks.